What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and welcome to the Nike factory store. And as you can see right here, we got a lot of reseller going through this particular sneaker because they are, well, drop the price. So, and as you can see right here, the cart is ready for the reseller, Amazon reseller. And this is my mini haul. I got a slice of the pies, just like what we said. And as you can see right here, we already got one good nice shoe. We got the Jordan 6s DMP, and we got the for retail. Oopsie, wow, come on. All right, we got the DMP 6s retail though, and another return here. This is the new release Jordan, and kind of ugly, don't like it though. All right, this is one that the reseller like we are going through, $39.97 with the 30%, so that's really cheap, and an additional $49.97 with the 30, and this boots as well. So that's why we are like, who we're getting this one. So, and as you can see right there, we got all the piles and ready to go. $79.97 and this Jordan Proto React with 30% and a different colorway, and $69.97 with the Jordan. Ooh, more reseller 1, 2, and 3 right there. Alright, okay, this one is on retail. Okay, we got the Air Maxes, and they're all, see, they're gone, they are gone. Okay, let's move on. We got the Maxes. How about Tierra Classic, $34.97 with the classic ones. Ooh, drop type premium, $29.97, and look at this one, $24.97 on the Shop Gravity. Ooh, 17 after the 30. Okay, $49.97 on the 30, $59.97 on the React, and Zoom Assertion basketball shoes, $44.97, 30%, Precision 2 and BK, and $29.97. Joyride CC, $59.97. Wow, that's a lot of good deals. $79.97. We're already on women's section, so as you can see, good price on this one. Nike Free Run 5.0, $39.97 with the 30. Flex Contact 3, $34.97. Flex Contact 3 again, $21.97 with the 30. Those are cheap ones. Free Planet 2018, wow, $79.97 with the 30. React Planet 2, $64.97 with the 30. About the JDI, $49.97. Explore Strada, what do you think on this one? $34.97. And this is the Kyrie Hybrid S2, combination of a lot of things. And the only thing I can remember here is on this side, which is the SpongeBob-ish thing, and the other concept I can't remember all of them. So $119 with the 30. So this would be taking home as my mini haul for today. It is really a struggle today because a lot of reseller. Alright, let's break down what we got on the Nike factory store. Starting off with the Air Force One mini-ish pink-ish. This one, it was $34.97 with the 30%, so not bad for the price on this one. And phew, kind of only some kind of women-ish thing colorway. Was hoping it kind of a little bit more with some a little bit more different color or combination, but the price is it's no brainer. 34.97 for the Air Force One, and with additional 30%. That's why pick them up. But the thing that I pick up in here is the smaller sizes. That's why I did that, because I primarily targeting the women's sizes, so that in that thought I could convert the sizes into women, so that the woman will be the one who is um, reselling on this particular shoes, because this is the colorway is just kind of mainly for women. I'm not really sure if a man would do this, but hey, it's up to them. If they're happy with their shoes, they could get it. All right. Next one, we got here the another Air Force One ish. This one is high top, and it came with something with the parachute thing going on that top where it buckle up. The thing with this one is the colorway. It kind of female-ish. I like the grayish, but if they don't have that gray thing going on, it's a good one. But hey, I might gonna take out the buckle thing, the or pinkish, and it would be fine. By the way, we bought this one for $49.97 with the 30% off, so not bad for the price. And this one is a good thing that I got them for good price, and as well it's a good time to have this one to resell it, because it is cold, almost cold. It's already cold. It's cold weather. It is fall. It is winter, almost winter, and the color combination of that is kind of grayish, with that pinkish. Nice color combination for the fall, though. So, what do you think on this one? Would you pick them up on that price? Well, okay. Next one. So we have here, so as you can see, $24.97. This one comes with a 30% off. We got the Nike Shock Gravity, so came down to somewhere around $17, no tax, so I don't have to pay for the tax. Okay. What else? So the colorway is kind of comes with a little bit vault-ish colorway, with the black, mainly black, with a little bit accent of vault. This one is more comfortable because of the mesh upper, and some people might not gonna go with this one because of the shocky thing going on. But hey, there's still a market out there, so I don't want to just leave it behind, and I knew is a market, so I'll take it. What do you think? Would you cap them for 17 bucks, 18 bucks with plus tax? For this one, our retail is 160. What do you think? I would love to hear your thought. Please leave a comment down below. Alright, next one we got the Air Max 95 Essential. So this one is not actually on the display or in the hash wall, clearance wall or something. This one is hand over to me by my plug in the Nike factory store. So once in a while, every time I go there, when I saw my plug, I ask them if they have something good in the back, because some item is not been released, particularly on the hash wall, or either they put it on the aisle. So and the good thing on this one, it comes with the $59.97 with the additional 30%, so it's already a good deal, and we complete with bucks, so not bad for the price. All right, next one we got the Kyrie Hybrid S2, and this one comes with a lot of surprisingly combination of a lot of things by this Kyrie. The only thing I could familiar is the one with the SpongeBob. I can't remember them all because this is a lot of combinations, so I won't be able to tell to you what's going on. As you can see right there, there's the SpongeBob. So we bought this for 119 and then additional 30%. So that's why I picked them up for that price. Not bad for the deal. Now, what do you think? I wish you could be in my size is 10 and a half, but it's only size 10. So, oh, wow. What do you think? Can you please leave a comment down below? Alright, next one. Ooh, we got some retro. Nice color of the box with that black and gold. Right now. So, there you go. You already seen at the outlet or Naked Factory store. We got this Jordan 6's DMP black and gold. Like the color of this one. Minimalist of the colorway. Black, the gold with the little bit accent of gold with the number 23 on the back. The jump on is gold. And the side panel a little bit of gold accent. Ooh, with that icy bottom. Wow. Well, but this one I might not gonna keep it because the retail is 200 and too much for me. So checking on the comps, I won't be able to sell it as well on eBay, Goat or StockX. The only main thing that I'm gonna resell this one is I'm gonna do a local sale. At least I'm making about 30 bucks. I would fine with that. So not bad for the pickup. So what do you think? Would you sell this one online, locally? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below. And there you go. As you can see here, we got the Jordan 6 DMP. Also, you see the Kyrie Hybrid, and most of these items that we pick up, would love to at least 30%, especially on the on the Kyrie's, also on the Shock. It's already a good deal. I might be comfortable letting go for 79. The Air Force One high and then the Air Force One low. So I'm gonna do dual and double on those prices. So, and then also the 95 essential. This one is really reselling high price on the third market. So I'm gonna stay on that price range as well. So I'm not gonna mess up with the um so I'm not gonna mess up with the price online right now, so that everyone reselling on this particular shoe is making a lot. So, and that's all on this video right now. It's very hectic on Nike factory store, especially there's a lot of reseller going out there, a lot of Amazon, eBay, and Go StockX. So hey, that's how this sneaker is selling. So with that said, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.